Hello guys, welcome to this new learning series. Let us start now. So starting with what is internet? Internet is derived from internetwork and it refers to the connectivity between different networks. So for example, if company A infrastructure is connecting directly to the company B infrastructure, then that would be classified as internetwork. So So we use different services over the internet like Facebook, YouTube, and file transfer protocol and other different websites. So now moving towards the next term, that is intranet. Intra means inside. So any services that are provided within the intranet are restricted to your network. And intranet relates to the network communication within our network. So you will find some organizations host internal web pages such as collaborative tools, SharePoint from Microsoft, or a human resources self-service portal. So that is the example of intranet. Now moving towards the next term, that is extranet. As more and more organizations rely on our network connectivity, it makes sense to utilize this technology to make business more efficient. This can be done by allowing access to our intranet to organizations other than our own. So, access is only permitted to trusted or authorized organizations such as our business partners or our large customers. So, this is how we can use extranets in our environment. So guys, we have learned three key terms of the network, that is internet, intranet and extranet, and I hope you must have liked this information, and if you need more such useful content, then please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video again. Let's meet in next video.